When I first started trading, I needed a system that could create consistent income, something strong enough to get me out of my truck driving job. So I built it and it worked for me. Then I started showing it to others and it worked for them too. 7 years later, and over 20,000 hours of coaching traders and 7 years of full time trading, I've helped thousands replace their salary and hundreds trade full time. In this video, I'm revealing the exact system that made it all possible, the one that helps the middle class create real financial freedom. You'll see how it works, how others are using it right now, and you can start trading it live with me without paying a dime out of your pocket. This system changes everything. Let me show you how. Again, it's all designed so that you don't have to spend a dime. I'm not going to say, hey, spend this money and trust me that it's going to work. The trading world has already done that, and everyone knows it's a scam. Real life trading is different because we don't ask you to trust us. We give you it all for free. You'll then be able to test it yourself, trade it live, the full strategies, the full system, make money with it, take that money, invest it into the next step, learn how to make even more, and then take those profits, invest it in the next step, and make even more, and so on and so forth. If the first things that I'm giving you right now are not making you money, don't move on to the next step. Stop here, send me a message, let's figure out what you're doing wrong, and let's get you making money. I do not want you spending money out of your bank account to pay for your education. I want step one to start making you money so that we can fund the rest of the journey and you don't have to trust me and spend money and hope that it works out. You can see for yourself that it's working. My mission and my purpose is to completely change the middle class. I have done it for myself. I was in a middle class. I was a truck driver. This pulled me out, and it's done that for thousands of other traders as well. I am finally ready and in a place to be able to share this with the entire world. I have waited 7 years to make sure that this was proven, to make sure that this roadmap actually worked, and it does. And so now is the time for us to finally share it with the world. Let's dive into this. Again, I'm gonna reveal everything for you, and it's not gonna cost you a dime. So again, the middle class struggles right now, they're just drowning in debt. You can't live the life that you want. You're working all the time. You're barely making enough to get by. You cannot make memories because the words, I can't afford it. Like that was out of my mouth every single day. My wife's like, let's go to Hawaii and do fun things. I was like, we can't afford it. Let's go do this. We can't afford it. How about we buy a better house? I can't afford it, right? I would say that all the time because money was so hard to get. I was stuck. I was drowning in debt, not living the life that I wanted to live. And I know a lot of you can relate. This system in trading has completely changed my life and thousands of others, and it's going to do the exact same for you as well. Studies have shown that if you made an extra $800 a month, it would change the class that you're in. It would bring you out of the middle class because an extra $800 a month, if done well, will get you out of debt, get you into a better house, a better life, a better car that's not breaking down every second, and free you up to be able to make more memories with your family and loved ones. And so the whole goal of this system is going to be starting out with how can I make you $800 a month and to do it consistently. Let me walk you through exactly how I plan on doing that. So step number one, you got to get $5,000. Get $5,000 into a trading account. If you already have that, great. You're ready to go on to the next step. If you do not have it, work your butt off and go get it. Get another job. Stop spending so much. Live on a tighter budget. Get $5,000. Your life will start as soon as you can get that $5,000 in your trading account. You're going to need that $5,000 to be able to make the $200 a week so that you can make that $800 a month and start changing your life and become financially free. I know some of you are going to say, Tony, that's going to take me forever to save up $5,000. I promise you it'll happen faster than you think. But the second part is it's not a waste of time. You can use that time to study and to learn. And I give you everything that you need to learn in the links down below in the description. If you are brand new to trading, brand new to options, brand new to credit spreads is what we're going to use. And I'm going to show you exactly how it all works here in just a second to be able to create this consistent income. You can spend this time while you're saving up that money to educate yourself. So by the time that money is there in your trading account, you are a master with the knowledge that you need to put that money to work. Okay. So step two, I want each and every one of you to get my full credit spread strategy. Links are down below, and to start trading this strategy live whenever you go through it and understand it. This strategy is going to earn you around $300 a month. It's going to give you a handful of trades each month. It's slow, it's steady, but it's consistent with over a 90% win rate. In this strategy, it'll show you everything about options. It'll show you everything about credit spreads that you need to know to be successful in trading. So what are credit spreads and why am I using it this way? When I first started trading, I tried day trading and swing trading and all this other stuff that I thought would make me the most money. And my results were up and down and all around. I could not get ahead. I would win some and then I would lose some, and I'd win some and I'd lose some, and I was just stuck. I was not getting ahead. I was losing money and then making it back, and I'd have a really great month and then a really terrible month, and I just couldn't get consistent results. And that's because it requires you to be perfect, and perfection is extremely hard even for the best of traders. So why do you need to be perfect? Well, if you're trying to make money long, you have to not only get in at the right spot, so it's actually the bouncing spot you have to be perfect on. It has to get the direction correct, so it can't go down if you're needing it to go bullish. And then not only that, but it has to go all the way to your target. It has to make enough to offset what you would lose the other half of the trades that will lose, right? A directional system is going to give you around a 50% win rate. Now, some have a little bit higher, some have a little bit lower win rate, but on average, it's going to be around 50%. It's a coin flip. And so the only way to make money on that is to make twice the amount when you win than what you lose. So if you lose and you lose $100, you need to be making around $200 when you're winning to offset half the other trades that are going to be losers. It's extremely hard to trade that way. It's extremely hard to be perfect that way. And it's going to take a lot of experience and a lot of training and many years to start becoming proficient. Now, are there outliers? Sure, for sure. Great. But for the majority of people, I'm sure you've already tried this, you've already seen this, your results are all over the place, and it takes a lot of work and it's a lot of headache, and it's frustrating because you're just not seeing that money come in. In reality, it doesn't matter how you do it in trading. It's about getting that money into your trading account consistently so you can actually change your life. And that's what credit spreads allow you to do. Credit spreads are a system of trading that no longer requires you to be perfect. You win as long as the stock doesn't go somewhere, which makes it so much easier now. Instead of it having to perfectly go up to make money, you'll make money as long as it stays above this line right here. So it can go up and you'll make money. It can go sideways and you will make money. It can go down and you will make money. The only way you lose is if it goes past your sold strike. And I'm going to set you up in this course here, that free course, to show you exactly where to sell it, how credit spreads work, how options work, how all of these things play out. It sounds complicated. I promise you it's not. I break it down in a very easy way of understanding so that anyone can trade this. I've taught this to brand new traders all the way to traders that have been trading for 30 years. I have, again, thousands and thousands of hours teaching others how to do this. Believe in yourself, put the time in, it will be worth it, because this is your answer to consistency. It was my answer to consistency. I tried day trading, tried doing all that like I was saying, I couldn't get it. I figured out credit spreads. I discovered a system. I created a strategy, and it has been paying my bills consistently as a full-time trader ever since. So with credit spreads, you no longer have to be perfect. So anyone out there can now start to make money. I'm going to show you what to do when they go against you, how to mitigate the risk, because the one downside of the credit spread is the risk is not great. So how can you mitigate that? I asked myself that same question. I'm like, okay, Tony, how do I still make money with credit spreads? Well, if I can do this, if I do this, if I do this, I can mitigate the risk. And so now there's not much of a downside to credit spreads. I mainly just get the upsides. And I show you how to do that in that strategy. Again, links down below, completely for free. That's what credit spreads are. I'm not going to go into much detail of exactly how to do everything because it's in the strategy. Click that link. But you win by no longer having to be correct on the stock. Like I said, it can go up, sideways, down, whatever it wants to do, you're still going to win. And that is a complete game changer for everyone. So with this strategy that I'm going to be showing you, with that $5,000 in this strategy, you're going to make around $300 a month. You'll make a little bit more, you'll make a little bit less on average. You're going to be making $300 a month. I don't want you to move on to the next step until you are profitable with that free strategy. If you're struggling with that strategy, I want you to send me an email, Tony@reallifetrading.com, and say, hey, Tony, I'm struggling with this strategy. I want to make sure that you're doing it correctly, setting it up the right way, because this strategy is extremely profitable and extremely consistent. You can just stay here and you can keep making $300 a month. Fantastic. If you want to take some of that money that you're making from this strategy and invest it into the next step, I'm going to show you how to start turning that monthly income into weekly income. The All Access Pass here at Real Life Trading costs $275 a month. I want you to take that $300 that you just made from that monthly course right there, and I want you to invest that into the All Access Pass, and you're going to join the $200 weekly strategy challenge and trade with me every single week. I'm going to show you how to create a $200 a week income with a 90% win rate. And yes, you can scale this to a lot larger numbers than $200 a week with this exact same strategy. But for right now, We're going to start out with $200 a week because, again, a goal is to make you $800 a month. This strategy has over a 90% win rate and has been proven for years and years and years. This strategy is going to allow you to not only make money in $200 a week, but it's also going to start paying for the All Access Pass subscription at $275 a month. Again, everything I do should be making you money so that you can either choose to reinvest it back in and pay for your education in real life trading, or you can just keep it and keep partying and enjoy your life. But every investment's going to earn you more and more and show you even more skills, how to unlock even more. So with this, you'll get live trading with me. Every single Monday, I'm going to sit down with you and I'm going to show you exactly how this strategy works. If you want to check out my week in the life videos, I walk you through all of my trades during multiple weeks and show you exactly how I trade it and the outcomes and the results have been, all that fun stuff. I'll leave a link here so you can see the week in the life videos if you want to check those out. I also have a link here walking you through this strategy and some of the rules of this strategy and how it works so you can start trading it right now, make money, and again, enjoy it from there. You'll also, as part of the All Access Pass, get access to free weekly coaching in a group setting with me. So again, every single Monday evening, I jump on live over Zoom with my community and answer all their questions. Teach them more about the strategy, teach them more about options, teach them more about credit spreads, everything else. The link to join the All Access Pass is down below. You can start a 14-day free trial if you want, but my recommendation is start with step 1, make money off of that, move to step 2 now that it's free, and then we'll start making money off of this to pay for this step to get you over to the next step. This strategy, like I said, has helped thousands of traders over the years, and hundreds of traders have quit their jobs and started trading full-time because of this strategy. This is the results that we've had over the last month of trading with this strategy. So again, you can see here, we've averaged around $200 a week with this strategy with over a 90% win rate. And here's just a handful of people that have just sent me messages here in our community Slack and has just offer their appreciation of what this strategy has done for them. I asked them if it'd be okay if I share this. They said yes. And so literally it's like, this spread is paying me $350 this week. It just paid for your groceries. It paid for a lot of extra quiet time that you're in need of and some money left over to help cover RLT. And it's just amazing how this has been changing people's lives. It's like right here, you have recently changed my life over the past 6 weeks. Thank you for genuinely caring about us and not just taking our money. Promise you, I'm giving you everything up front for you to make money. I'm not like everyone else. It's like pay and then you get this. It's like, here's everything to make money and then you can spend some of that and come back and trade with us if you want. He's 15 for 15 on credit spreads with $19,000 in profit. And again, I'll show you how to scale this strategy up so that you can make a lot more if you have a larger trading account than 5,000. We are helping people truly change their life. We are getting people out of the middle class, getting them out of debt, getting them out of bad neighborhoods, and getting their family life back in order where you can actually spend time with your loved ones. And that is my goal. That is my purpose. Again, I can just go off and just trade on my own. I did that for a while. There is no fulfillment in that. They're like, why are you doing this? Why are you giving this out? What's in it for you? If it wasn't for people reaching their hand out and helping me when I was struggling, I'd be back driving a truck. I believe this world needs fantastic people that don't spend their entire life chasing a little bit of money, that can learn how to click a button, replace their income, and then use that free time to better their family, their friends, and pursue the passions that they're after, because that's what it allowed me to do. Trading unlocked a life for me that I couldn't even imagine. I believe my mission, my purpose, my calling of God is to help others do this. We are going to change the middle class. I'm going to show you how to make $800 a week and to do it consistently without the up and down in the P&L. And it's proven. We've been doing this for years. And again, you have nothing to lose. It's free. Everything that you need to make money to fund this and pay for this, I'm giving to you right up front. So you can test it, you can prove it, and see for yourself that it's legit. Invest that money back into the next step and make even more. RLT just barely hit its 100,000 subscriber mark on YouTube. And so I wanted to do something fun in this video here to just kind of say thank you. And so I'm giving away a year of trading in the All Access Pass for free with me. So all you have to do to enter to win on this, and we're going to be giving this out to 3 people, by the way, is just leave a comment and hit the reminder to attend my next YouTube live event. So just go to our YouTube channel. Right there on the top, you'll see my event letting you know about my next YouTube live. Hit that reminder, and we're going to do the giveaway live during that webinar. So in that webinar, I'm going to teach you a ton more about credit spreads, a ton more about how to bring in consistent income and answer more of your questions. And again, it's completely free just here on YouTube Live. And so hit the reminder button. It'll notify you whenever it's time to go live. You can see the date on there when we're planning on going. And we'll be doing a drawing during that session to give away to a couple people a year of the All Access Pass completely for free. Step number 4, that's going to lead you to financial freedom, is to now take these profits and grow the account. Get your account larger and larger and larger. And if you can invest even more of your trading account into this strategy, you can have insane returns. This is just the results of the past month. You need a large trading account, but you can scale this, and this is the avenue to change your life. You are finally going to start seeing how easy money is to get. You're finally going to start seeing the results from trading that you want. And it's not from day trading. It's not from all these other things. It's from selling these options, because it gives you the best chance to be consistent. Now, you can then take this money and you can fund your education to learn how to day trade and add even more into that. Like, I day trade all the time, but it's not my go-to. Credit spreads are my go-to strategy, even after all of these years, because you're going to see how easy it is to make money. And you're literally going to ask yourself, why would I do anything else? Why make trading harder when it can be this easy? That is the road right here to financial freedom. And again, thousands of people have walked this road. It's proven, and I am ready to share this with the world. So share this message. Please share this video with those of your friends that are trying to learn how to trade. Put it to the test for yourself. You'll no longer view money as hard to get. You will allow your money to start working for you instead of you for your money. You'll be able to spend the precious time that you have in this life doing what you love to do, being with the people that you love to be with, instead of stuck in a job that's not going anywhere, that's making someone else rich while you are wasting your life and wasting your time. You only get one life, my friends. Don't spend it doing something that you don't want. That was my biggest caveat for me to finally quit the job and go trade full time. And it was a long journey. Again, I have a video that I just did walking you through my journey. It was a long journey to get to this roadmap. But I thank God every single day, because I wouldn't have this journey right now helping thousands of others if I didn't go down the route that I went down. This opened my eyes of exactly how to do it. It worked for me. It's worked for thousands of others. Put it to the test for yourself, my friends. Come check us out over at Real Life Trading and see why we are different. Let's start this journey today. Let's get you on the road to financial freedom. Let's change the middle class. Join me on this mission. Share the word, and I'll see you in the next video.